Welcome to our channel. If you want to activate your MetroPCS SIM card, follow this full tutorial to get your mobile service working. Step 1. Purchase a MetroPCS SIM card either from a MetroPCS store, authorized retailer, or online. Step 2. Ensure you have an unlocked phone that's compatible with MetroPCS network or a phone you purchased from MetroPCS. Step 3. Power off your phone completely before inserting the SIM card. Step 4. Locate the SIM card tray on your phone, usually on the side of the device, and use a SIM ejector tool or paperclip to open it. Step 5. Insert the MetroPCS SIM card into the tray, making sure it's oriented correctly according to the diagram on the tray. Step 6. Push the SIM tray back into your phone and power it on. Step 7. Call 611 from your MetroPCS phone or dial 1-888-863-8768 from any phone to reach customer service for activation. Step 8. Provide the customer service representative with your SIM card number, which is printed on the card, along with your personal information and payment details to set up service. Activation typically takes just a few minutes, but can take up to 24 hours. And once complete, restart your phone to ensure proper network connection and test by making a call or sending a message. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.